Royal Corinthian offers faux wood beams made from a high-density polyurethane meant to emulate wood, but without the negative attributes and expensiveness of wood. These composite ceiling beams will not rot, crack, split, or get infested like similar wood products. In addition, these beams are a fraction of the weight and cost of traditional wood products. So not only are they significantly less expensive and last longer than natural wood, they are much easier to install. We offer several options that mimic natural wood grains as well as smooth options. We offer various widths and spans up to 20 feet. In addition to beams, we offer decorative beam straps that provide a desirable accent piece. These products accept stain as well as paint fairly easily. Be sure to have the beam cleaned before painting or staining. This can be done with mineral spirits or an air compressor. Move the brush along the grains and spread evenly as to not collect excess paint between the grooves. Repeat these steps for a darker finish. Installation is fairly simple and can be done with one person. Attach the provided blocks into the ceiling with screws. Make sure they are positioned correctly with the ends lining up with the length of the beam. Next, slide the beam over them and secure it by driving screws on both sides of the beam into the blocks. And lastly, attach the optional beam straps on the ends of the beam. Once installed, it will be easy to see why these beams are so popular. Customer reviews say that these beams are easy to install, they look like real wood, and that they last a lifetime. I hope you'll learn something today. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Thank you, and have a blessed day.